Alright, so we'll clean up the mess. Look at all this crap that came out. Look at that. All that and a whole bunch of just broken pieces. All this right here. And then there you go. Kind of nice and clean. And clean this baby up too. I was looking at it, I'm not sure it says something on it, but I can't tell what that is. Anyway, I gotta clean all these gasket stuff out. There's still a few more little specks in there. Gonna have to use some kind of a cleaner to take it out. But you know, the magnet, it's clean now. Gotta get that out and clean that. Like I said, this thing feels solid. I don't know if I should do anything about it. I hate to leave it and not do it if I need to, but anyway, it's clean. That's what I want to show. Again, look at that. This thing is grinding and breaking parts like crazy. Yeah. I'm surprised it's only that much.